The Holy Bible says, "And thus you shall greet him. Peace be to you, and peace be to your house, and peace be to all that you have." Before we immerse ourselves into the flurry of Christmas festivities, it is customary to start out even with a vibrant and graceful dance that sets the tone and spirit for the rest of the proceedings. Our dance is just an art unfolding on stage. It is a heartfelt expression of our joy and the respect we have for our guests. It's a way of saying that this day, this moment, and this celebration is as much yours as it is ours. Now, without any further ado, let's create an environment of rhythm, grace, and harmony. Please put your hands together as we invite our gifted performers of UKG, first and second grade onto the stage to welcome everyone with their classical moves.
Sa